Hi, today we're going to make a wooden sign using Rockler's interlocking sign maker templates. This sign is for an upcoming plant sale, and you can see right off the bat that the P's are a two-step process as well as the A's. The wood I'm using is a piece of 3/4 inch cabinet grade plywood, which is totally the wrong kind of wood to use, but it's only going to be for a one-day sign. The letters are interlocking, and I use tape as per the instructions to tape them into place. You have spacers that come with it. The kerning spacer 1 and 2, it depends on what letter you're going to use, and a space between letters. Now, how you determine to use these, by going to Rockler's website for sign making. Okay, here it is. What you do is you type in what you want to say, plant sale, and it'll tell you what spacers to use. Then notice the URL. And you can see that I'm not using any kerning spacers. I'm just using the P and the two A's. A brass router guide bushing. You need to put that in there, and how this works is that it rides inside the template to make nice even letters. You need to use a plunge router, which I have here, and a 3/8 bit, a flat bit. Rockler sells a bit just for this, but I'm just going to use the flat one today. Okay, this tape, I don't really like it, but that's the only thing I have to work with right now. I wish I had a better way to secure them. Let's give it a shot. Okay, I could see a problem right now is the sawdust gets in there and it doesn't allow the router template guide to slide in there right. So we're going to use a shop vac, and I'm just going to clean this out. Normally I would put a dust collection port on the router, but it would block the view of the video. Okay, now we're going to clean it up a little, and now I'm going to put the step 2 for the P and the A. Carefully pull them out. I don't want to move anything around. Put some new tape on. Let's finish it up. Okay, now I just want to cut it, and we'll do the other side. And here's our sign. Okay, now I'm going to drill holes to put a stand on here. I'm going to use an old political sign that I had, and I'm just going to drill 2 holes in the bottom and slide that in there. Make it simple. and that should be good enough to support it. Now I'm going to use a really dark stain to finish it. I'm going to be real careful not to get it down into the letters. Now I'm going to use a rag to get in between the letters. Okay, this is the tedious part. It's actually painting the letters white. Yes, it's necessary, I guess. It'll make the sign stand out more. And there it goes, my very first sign with Rockler templates.